I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in to your Groupon account. For that you'll need to open a browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to open Chrome. After you open our browser, search groupon.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Groupon's website. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top left of your screen. Tap on Sign In. Here you can see that you can log in with email, Facebook or Google. For now, I'm going to show you how to log in with email. Firstly, enter your email address that you want to link to your account. Then enter your Groupon's password. After you are done, tap on the green tab that says Sign In. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on Save if you want to save password in your Google account. If not, tap on Never. This way you can log in to your Groupon account. Now you can get great deal for products and services. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.